I could be doing anything else with the last day of my summer. Enough of that. Thank you. Hey guys, Blue here from PikabluStudios, and today I'm going to be reviewing Cool Cat Saves the Kids, a masterpiece created by the one and only copyright master, Derek Savage. You're probably the only people ever to watch this before he takes it down, so I'm going to be quick. Therefore, this intro is done.
This is a special news report. We have terrible news. Bullies have been picking on children everywhere, and it is tragic. There has to be a way to stop the bullies.
Help! Help! He's everywhere being bullied! Help!
Oh wait, what? Why is this girl almost as tall as the diner? What, are mice bullying each other now too? And if you don't want to get bullied, I don't recommend eating at the bully diner. All jokes aside, these kids need Cool Cat's help. Also, fun fact, did you know that Cool Cat served in the military? Yeah, it's later shown that Cool Cat is in school with kids, so is he like held back for 10 years? This question is not answered in the film. We are greeted with only the highest quality of Comic Sans as we move slowly through War Hero Cool Cat's home, seeing shadows of the cameraman cast along the wall as he passes.
Wow! This looks great! Here you go, sign. Hello, this is Cool Cat. Who are you, and what's your name?
Okay, this scene is long, boring, and pointless, so I'm just gonna skip ahead. Should I mention how grating Cool Cat's voice is? It's kinda funny the first half hour, but god does it get annoying.
I love it when it's pretty outside.
I'm in a work
Also, what just happened here?
area with a blanket and some more science supplies.
We can make it our temporary office.
Yeah, we'll call it Cool Cat for President Office.
Well, Cool Cat and Maria, well, geez, Cool Cat, I guess chivalry is dead then. Oh, sorry. As I was saying, Cool Cat and Maria go outside to make more signs. And oh my god, look at this editing.
Good golly! With people like you on the team? How could we go wrong?
I know my editing isn't much better, but I'm 13 and working alone, while Derek Savage has a budget and a team, albeit small, but he still has a team. After this, we finally get to the plot. Note that I'm using this term loosely. And another editing mistake I haven't seen anybody notice is that people mistake this line for, boy, I feel like picking on someone.
Boy, I feel like picking on someone!
But I'm pretty sure it cut off, and the line is supposed to be, I'm bored, I feel like picking on someone. This is editing at its finest. Well, this bowl cut master texts Maria rude bullying things. Don't question it, it's all dumb. And Cool Cat influenced her to open it despite not knowing where or who it's from.
I just got a text, but I don't know who it is.
Well, there's only one way to find out. So, see what it says.
That's not the proper lesson. You should never open something from someone you don't know. It may sound dumb, but it's not a lie. Okay, well, the bully, named Butch, keeps texting her, and he gets away with it. Then he calls Cool Cat, and Cool Cat sees him, and, instead of saving the kids, does nothing. Okay, this exchange sounds extremely creepy. Why does he have to make this sound?
And he has no friends. That's not fun.
Yeah, he doesn't have fun like we do.
Yeah, and you know what? It's silly.
Yeah!
Please stop. Well, let's just get to the new stuff. Butch does bad things a lot with more bad acting, but what do you expect? These are child actors. No child can act properly, and yes, I consider myself a child, and that's why this video has bad, I guess you could call this acting. Voice act, whatever. Next, we're introduced to Mama Cat. Don't even ask me about the genetics in this family. There are kids watching. She gets a phone call, and she seems pretty upset about it.
And someone is calling. Hi, Sammy. I'll tell him right now.
Even the adult actors can screw up their line delivery. So the phone call says that Cool Cat and Daddy Derek get to go to Hollywood because the plot demands it. And doesn't this line sound like her parents are a little bit harsh?
But I better go home before it gets late.
Okay, yeah, I know what it says. So Daddy Derek and Mama Cat have to do whatever this is.
Hey, come on over here, honey. Look how clean we got everything going right here.
It looks great. Thanks for your help in the kitchen.
Oh, you know I love to help you all the time, Mama. Get over and give me a hug.
While Cool Cat gets cyberbullied.
You have a fat nose? And you smell like a dirty dog? What? I'm getting bullied in my own house?
This is a prime example of why I hate Cool Cat's voice. He just sounds off. Afterwards, Cool Cat freaks out and has no clue what to do, so he starts. So after he gives away the obvious moral to
Stand up for yourselves!
Cool Cat and Daddy Derek get to go to Hollywood, for real this time, in a long and pointless scene that only makes you forget about the moral we had just learned. For some reason, Cool Cat is invited to be in a parade during this trip.
But not just any parade! The Hollywood Parade!
Cool Cat and Daddy Derek have to write a song for the parade that they don't actually use in the parade scene. And writing this song is probably the most hilarious part in my opinion.
Well, Cool Cat, this song is really starting to come together great. Do you have any other suggestions?
Oh, Daddy Derek, I'm full of suggestions! Like, how about Cool Cat loves to rock and roll?
Oh, yeah!
Oh! Cool Cat loves to play drums!
You do love it. You're really good on drums, too. All right. Cool Cat loves the boogie woogie.
Oh, my gosh, Daddy Derek, how can I forget about boogie woogie?
Aw, they forgot my favorite part about Cool Cat.
Cool Cat likes to yell into the mic.
I'm just going to speed through the song. You aren't missing much. So here goes another song. This one is much worse despite being sung by a professional. This is so awful.
Yo, yo, yo! My name is Cool Cat and I'm the coolest cat there is. I love to play and have fun, and I'm always on the run. The sun is shining and I'm feeling fine, so everybody listen to the words I'm saying.
After more pointless scenes, we finally get back to the plot. Not that it's much better. Here comes the best and most memorable scene. If you've seen the movie, you know what I'm talking about.
Wow, Vivica. It's such a beautiful day.
Oh, it sure is, Eric. And where is Cool Cat?
There he is.
Hi, everybody!
Hi.
I want to have fun today, and I don't know what to do!
So Vivica A. Fox explains to Cool Cat that the best way to get rid of bullies is to
Leave me alone. And I yelled very loudly.
Wow!
So the best way to get rid of bullies is to yell at them. Doesn't Cool Cat already do that no matter what? Oh no. Take off your headphones, ladies and gentlemen.
Leave us alone right now!
Yeah, I'm going to tell my parents and teachers about you.
I can't believe it. That bully is back for more.
More irrelevant stuff about Cool Cat writing a book for $100, but trust me, it's really boring and you don't need to hear it. After Cool Cat's friend runs out into the road, he teaches him an important lesson.
But always look both ways before crossing the street.
But he immediately goes back on that lesson when Butch the Bully steals candy from babies. But this time, Cool Cat has had enough. Woo, baby! Look at these effects. Okay, point is, he gets Butch the Bully arrested. No joke, the scene is honestly kind of funny.
I'm a bully, and I'll be back.
After this, Cool Cat Maria and What's-His-Face find a gun, and Butch takes it to school to steal everyone's lunch money. But again, he is arrested, making this scene irrelevant other than teaching another lesson actually quite well. So good job, Derek, you did something right with this movie. In the end, Cool Cat Maria and some filler guy start to talk about the obvious lesson they just taught an hour ago. Then, roll the credits. So, what did I think about the film? This movie by no means is good, but I wouldn't feel like I would be doing the film justice by calling it bad either. It fails as a movie, but that isn't the point. It's trying to be entertaining while teaching lessons. Let's look at how it did with both. From an educational standpoint, this movie did horrible. Only one of the lessons, the gun safety one, was taught correctly. As for the others, either they didn't get it across well enough, like the cyberbullying instance, or just didn't quite teach the right thing to do, like the part about yelling at your enemies. Entertainment-wise, there is way too much filler. This could have said what needed to be said in 20 minutes, but I did get a couple of laughs. And if maybe I were 5 or 6, I wouldn't have noticed the glaring issues with the film. Because of this, I rate Cool Cat Saves the Kids a 2 out of 5. And if you're not very good at math, that's a 4 out of 10. Bye.